www.noodleworzch.com. My name's Ty, and I'd like to share to you now on how you can add a Facebook plugin on your WordPress website. Uh, the reason why you would want to make use of Facebook plugin is that it's actually integrated in a WordPress. As a WordPress plugin, all the tools in Facebook that you might want to need. I'd like to show you. You have to log into your control panel. For the control panel or dashboard of your WordPress site, and take a look at here. You know how to install plugins. If you don't, let's try it out a little bit. You have to click on plugins right here. Say add new, and it's going to ask you to install plugin. Search plugin. Just type in Facebook in there. Click on search, and it's going to give you a list of Facebook plugins. So this is the first that you might want to use. It's already installed. It says in there Facebook plugin adds Facebook social plugins to your site, something like that. And if it's not installed yet, it would say install now. So you just have to click on install now, and then from there it would you just go straight forward with all the instructions, check and uncheck, and that's about it. And let me just show to you the tools that you can actually somehow make use of. On general, you just have to add your app ID, an API ID, or app secret. You could create one on Facebook. If you don't know how to create one yet, we have another tutorial on our website, www.noodleworzch.com. You can check that out in there. And let's try to dissect one by one. Like button. This is the button that you can have an option to use for home, archive, post, page, and others. And something like that, you could make use of light background and dark background. These are the buttons that you can also embed manually using iframe or using HTML codes that you can get from the website. Again, uh, the reason why you would want to use this integrated plugin is that you have all the tools that you might want to use really for a website in just one plugin. The one reason maybe why you don't want to use this is that it's a little bit hard to reposition when you're using them. It would decide for you. I've had troubles with this before in using another theme because I can't move that to a different position, right? But of course you can always tweak the PHP code, but it's gonna take a while though. But again, with some interactive and dynamic WordPress themes, you wouldn't have any problems with Facebook. Let me show you what we are using right now using this Facebook plugin right here. We're using a comments box. If you open comments box right there, it says you can use that or show that only on post. Number comments 10 and 650 for the width. We're using a light uh, theme. Let's open one of our posts right here and scroll a little bit way on the part that's got this, right? See that? It would look like that for the comment. That's the comment form. We got another comments right here, which is discuss. The reason why we would want to do that because there are people. I'm not suggesting that you make use two comment plugins, but here the reason why we want to make use of a two comment plugin is that there are people who just would want to comment negatively, but would want to hide themselves. So they would want to make use something like this because if they're gonna make use of Facebook, of course they're gonna use their profile. So again, never be scared of getting negative comments on a website because there are some people also. One thing more about comments, you just wouldn't want to make use of a comment that would ID them like Facebook. They would always be ID'd whenever they comment. You want to use something that also they can hide themselves. Why? Because even though they comment positively and negatively, if you want to monetize the site, then it's going to create a little flame war in there. Then that's about it. People would comment defend you, defend your post, share their interests, share their opinions, negative and positive, then it's money for you, right? So having two of those, one that can ID them and one that can hide them, is better. So again, what we're talking about here is the comments box for Facebook. So 650 for the width, and if I would like to show you, if you make that 450, save the changes. Again, take a look at that. It's extended uh, up until the end of the bar right here. That's the handler, the div tag that we're using. But if you refresh that, since we changed that to 450, that means that you just would want to make it a little bit shorter. And let me press F5 again, and there you go. This time it's a little bit short. So let's go back. This is 650 and this is 450. So that's how you make changes for the comment box. And if you go number post, 10 post, something like that. So let's bring them back again to 650. You could also change that to page attachment and everything. Recommendations bar is the one that's popping up in here. Like recommend posts that is somehow related to the post that you have. And social publisher, debugger insights, subscribe button, like button, send button. Here is another button. Another plugin. Another element of the plugin that we're using is right here. But I couldn't make use of that uh, using the plugin because it's trying to load itself way in the body of the div tags. So what I did is to just recreate the, go to the Facebook website and then make use of the manual code, which is iframe. So you could just put that to a sidebar. Okay, so that's about a Facebook plugin that would somehow help you monetize your site by getting in comments ID'd through their Facebook accounts. Also, you can make um, changes, or you can make use of a default iframe and HTML codes and shortcodes through Facebook.com, and there you can get to have manual codes for your WordPress site. Okay, my name is Ty. Do check out some other tutorials, www.noodleworzch.com. See you back. Thanks for watching.